Alright, this is my very first video. They call me Zook, you know what I'm saying? Trying out this rap game shit. From Tacoma, University Place, Washington, 253. My phone's a little nappy right now. But I'm gonna give you guys a little taste of what I can do. Might not be the best, but in my head I'm the greatest. And I don't even know what I call this. I just wrote it down one day and here it goes. Oh, I made the beat too. Alright. Crown on my head on some king shit. Cock it back, pull the trigger on some mean shit. Puffin' on the pack of switches on some sweet shit. Bass knocking in my speakers, let the beat hit. Switch up the flow and I do my thing. King of the game, KOG's with a bang. Gray bandana on the left, let it hang. Put the loud in the air if you know what I'm saying. Your girl on her knees, hell nah, she ain't praying. Excuse my slur, it's the weed that I blame. Doing it for fun, I don't do it for the fame. Never show no love, that's the rule of this game. That was just a little bit. Hope you guys like it. Stay tuned.